welcome to Magical Unicorn Art Supply Haul. Hey there, thought I would show you some supplies I've been using lately. This is Dorland's wax medium. It came in this cute little package. And there is a palette knife included, which is cool. I learned about this product from Liz Chatterton Art, and I will link her channel in my description below. It can be used to basically seal your art, and I'll show you later in the video how it works. But it's nice and smooth and kind of buttery and very easy to use. I also recently bought this 11 pack of soft round brushes, and I have been using them for I think about a month. Super graceful unboxing there. Anyway, I am really liking these actually, and they were quite affordable. Here's the ginormous one, which is possibly my favorite to use. They come out of the box. A lot of brushes are like this. They put something on the ends to help them maintain their shape. So when you first get them, you may have to rinse them pretty thoroughly to, get that off of the ends so that you can then use them. Next is my current favorite paper, one of them I guess. I'm on my second pad of this. This is from Wal-Mart. It's $10.97 for 50 sheets, and it's very thick and nice. These are koi watercolor sets, and I use them on these bookmarks that I was making. Also, I tried some masking fluid on this. I'll talk about that in another video though. But I'm using my brush that I was talking about earlier, one of my brushes, and some of that paper that I just cut into strips. I can talk more about this galaxy making process another time, but for now, this is trying Dorland's wax. This is supposed to kind of seal and create some sheen, and it did. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for joining me. Rebel and I are going to take a nap now. Good night.